Good morning. Welcome to this fourth sharing in the series of White Light, Heart, Living Spirit. This morning's sharing is interestingly revisiting the elemental energies and sharing with you how to tie them together with the voice of our expression in an energetic form, which is sound. Now, interestingly, the elements map to the vowels in the English language, the sounds, vowel sounds in the English language. I'm going to share that with you this morning, and I'm going to invite you to put this information into a complete picture with yourself at the center of it, because it's a way of energetically reinforcing that inner sense of self, that position of inner peace within the harmony of the four elements. This morning we'll also be opening up the notion of ourself as the fifth element. And that's a very, very lovely consciousness reflection that I'd like to open for you today. So if we start, the air element, represented by the sound, the R sound, A in the English language. The air element, A, both the lower vibrational sound, the small case A in the lettering, and the high vibrational sound, the capital letter A. Opposite to that is the E, A-E in the vowels, E being represented vibrationally by earth element. Earth element in both forms, the lowercase e, the long sound, and the uppercase E being the high sound, correspondence to the element. That leaves the I in the vowels to be the fire element, and the same correlation between the long sound I and the short sound I. Opposite the fire element we have water, and water is represented quite beautifully, vibrationally in sound in the English language by the O, and the resonance of the vibration. O, we'll understand the use of the term Om as an attunement. Attunement in the calm ocean, attunement in the flow of the cycles that bring us home. Om. So A-E-I-O, the four elements that are represented in most of the cultures that work with elemental energy. And you might ask, well, what about the fifth vowel? What about the U sound, the U, in the center of those four elements? And the lowercase A and the uppercase U, U sound. Now, the representation of that U sound in some cultures is wood. And you can hear the U sound in the middle there, wood. Wood is all about the cycles of growth within life as an elemental energy. It's the source of renewal, the building up and the falling away of all things within the alignment of a lifetime. And notionally that puts us at the centre of our elements that nourish and sustain and provide harmony and flow. Air being our consciousness, earth being our physicality, the O being the emotional state, and the I being that which inspires us and motivates us. If we position our inner peace within the centre of that, then it's the equivalent of us acknowledging the peaceful presence of a tree, ourself as a reflection of a beautiful tree. Starts as a very small seed within the earth, breaks through into the light, and the light and the four elements working in harmony to bring the tree into its natural fullness. And as it matures, then going through cycles of growth, it begins to flower, provide through the flower the fruit of its existence, which it shares with the world around it, shares with those animals that partake of its fruit. And in return, those animals distributing the seeds and renewing the cycle back to the earth. Very peaceful notion. Works in with the elemental energies, works in with the vibrational sounds. As we start to open up to our broader perceptions in this time, and we start to use sound for healing, I'd like you to use the vowel sounds as vibrational expressions for attunement to the four elements, and of course include the fifth element, which we'll talk to tomorrow. That really tune us into our centre of presence, that inner peace, and a deeper connection with all things. I'm sharing this with you because it's that deeper connection with all things that opens our path into the consciousness of living in spirit from a white light heart. The other piece of information to share with you this morning is the fire representation, being the force sharing, the number 4, and the 4 points of a triangle pyramid being the ancient symbol for fire. Elementally and spiritually, there's a lovely visualization which you can use to attune into this higher frequency spiritual energy and connect your inner self, your inner white light heart, to the rest of your physicality. And that is to perceive your body as nothing more than a human outline of white energetic flame. The application of that vision using the vowel sounds as a vibrational expression. I could be an example of that. Continuation of that cycle of sound expressed from your inner heart generates the white fire body of energy, vibrational energy, anchored in your white light heart. That white fire body and the application of fire energy clears and cleanses things that are out of attunement with your spirit in all of your other body's dimensions, your physicality, your emotionality, and your consciousness. Enjoy this sharing today. Enjoy exploring the use of the connection of sound with the elements and the vowel sounds of the English language as a representation of all of the 4 traditional elemental representations, and put yourself at the center with the U, the U sound, and use that as an expression into the world in your vocalization, your vocal meditation, if you like, practices that you might like to use to attune yourself through the notion of spiritual energy connected through white fire body perception, anchored in a physical form within the white light heart and originating from a state of inner peace. Enjoy your day. Good morning. And God bless.